Hello friends, welcome to your channel Phenomen. Today we will be discussing all about the Guild Fund. These are the best debt mutual fund that you can consider for the investment. Now first we will understand what is the meaning of the Guild Fund. These are the category from the debt mutual fund. This fund invest only in the security which are issued by the government of India, and these securities are issued by the government when they are in need of fund to finance a particular project. The government securities are issued by the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, on behalf of the government. And Guild Fund do not at all invest in the corporate security, and thus it will reduce the risk to the greater extent. Investing in Guild Fund is an excellent investment option for the investor who are looking to earn considerable amount of return at a lower risk. So these funds are completely low risk fund, because these Guild funds are completely backed by the government, complete support of the government, and these funds are similar to the government bonds only, and the risk associated with this are very much low. Next, who can invest in this Guild Fund? Guild funds are an excellent investment option for the risk averse investment. Those investors who don't want to take much risk can go for this fund, as this fund invest only in the fixed income securities which are issued by the government of India. Here the returns are very much predictable and stable. It is a best option for the investor who is investing for the first time in the debt mutual fund. These are less volatile as compared to the other debt securities and funds. It is a good option for the investor who is looking to safeguard, that is want to protect his capital and want to earn considerable and moderate return on his investment. Next, we will understand the risk associated with this Guild Fund. These are the low risk fund because the complete amount is invested in the government securities. But however, there is a low risk associated in respect of interest risk, default of interest risk, liquidity risk and credit risk. However, you can go for this fund because the risk is very low, because this fund invests only in the government security. And finally, we will discuss the taxation applicability on Guild Fund. If you are holding Guild Fund for a period of less than 3 years, then it will attract a short-term capital gain, and on which tax has to be paid as per the individual income tax slab rate. And if you are holding for a period of more than 3 years, then taxation will be at the rate of 20%. If you feel that video is useful to you, then please do like our video and please subscribe to our channel Phenomen if you have still not subscribed it, and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. And also please comment it in the comment box on which topic you want to watch the next videos.